So, good morning, fellow Trekkies. It's the start of a new week. As promised, this is the closer look on and stand of the USS Equinox. Mm, I do love this design quite a bit. She is a beauty. Comes only in two episodes of the television series Star Trek Voyager. Which season is this? I believe it's probably season 6. Season season 5 to season 6, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really remember all those seasons really well. Although I've seen Voyager probably the most out of all the other Star Trek series. TNG and Voyager perhaps, or maybe it's Voyager, because they used to show Voyager on the Hallmark channel every week, or I think Monday to Saturday they had a new episode each. So, and then they did repeats of it after the third season. So I pretty much saw that much. Then I have the DVDs of Voyager as well, so I've seen those a couple of times as well. So love the design on this. So when it finally did show up on Voyager, I actually liked this design better than Voyager. I know that's probably blasphemy for a lot of Voyager fans. Excuse me, Voyager fans, and I can't get it to focus on the writing. I need a proper camera for this. But if this close-up will have to do for now. Really love the way she looks. I believe that's the main deflector. There's the captain's yacht focus. I think this is one of the shuttle bays, the one of the ascent, and I think this is one as well. I can't really remember. I haven't gone through the specifications yet on the magazine. I got the magazine. I haven't had much time yet. So correct me if I'm wrong. Anyone who really knows the answer in the comments below, if you happen to be watching this. So that's pretty much it. What else can I say? I love this design. I think she's gorgeous. And I think there's going to be a fan-made movie or mini-series based on the USS Equinox with Captain Ransom. I'm not really sure exactly what the storyline is. I saw some of the ads for it on Facebook, I believe. So I'm going to check that out and see what they're going to planning to do with it, because Ransom is dead. Is it going to be something during their time in the Delta Quadrant, or is it something like a time travel thing or an alternate universe kind of stuff? I'm not really sure. But I really love the design of this particular starship. I think she's an A+, probably one of my top 5 designs. Love the way that plastic lights up for the nacelles. So yes, that is the USS Equinox close-up, and I think she looks pretty nice. What else to say? Just a couple of things. I was trying to find out how much what is the crew complement. So I believe, and I thought it was like 150, maybe less than 100 also. And it is. The crew complement was 80. So she is a much smaller ship, even smaller than Voyager. Top speed is Warp 8. She is a Nova class, the USS Equinox NCC 72381. Launched in the year 2370, destroyed 6 years later. So it's in the sixth. I believe it's in the sixth season, 2376, and the length is 221.74 meters, or roughly 222 meters. Capable of high speeds up to 8, so slower than Voyager. And she's a science vessel. So she also got pulled out to the to the Delta Quadrant by the caretaker. She was one of the ships that the caretaker had pulled into the Delta Quadrant. Supposed to be, I think they tried to find Voyager or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So that's all about the USS Equinox. Thank you guys. The fleet is building up. This is my sixth ship. I have a couple of more coming on its way. So we'll see you again soon.